everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Zopa customer support. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top, there's address bar. You need to type down zopa.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage of Zopa, in the top right, there's this help icon. You need to select that help icon. And from here, you can find all of the topic here. If you have any issue with the mentioned topic here, you can simply select there. And scroll a bit down here. You can also find the top frequently asked question here. And from here, you can also select the frequently asked question and scroll a bit down. And from here, you can choose the question if it is relatable to you. And from here, you can find the instruction here. And if you need more help, you can simply go back, scroll a bit down, and go to this contact us. And from here, scroll a bit down again and select this call us. And from here, you can simply find this number here. You can simply dial this number, and before contacting support, make sure you have your account information ready for verification, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.